How to change language in language settings in Openvibe app step by step on mobile device right here. What we need to do to change our language here in the language settings here in the Openvibe app right here is click on the bottom right corner right there in the profile. After pressing on that right there, next thing we need to do right here on the top right corner it says settings. Press on the settings right there in the top right. After pressing on the settings there, next thing we need to do right here is you will see here in the below the personalization you will see language right there, language. Press on the language right there. Here the language, there's a lot of languages you can search. There you go. There you go. Right there, all of the language right here. Once you've chosen one, I just press on one. Example English, click on English right there. And there you go, as you can see right now. There you go. Enter. And if you there's a settings, if there's another if you want another way, just go to your settings. Then once you're in settings, click on app management and choose the app, Openvibe, and after clicking the app, click on change language, and then there you go. Now change the language. So there you go, guys. That's how you change language in Openvibe. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, concerns, type it down question below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible here on Guide Glimpse. Thank you, guys.